Alright, what's up guys, at the boneyard again, and this time I'm looking for 4th gen Civic parts for the 88 Civic, and I'm looking for this one seal that goes around the window, like that seal right there. Yeah, like the one that was on the Civic. It fell out. It was pretty much cracked up and everything, and now the actual glass slams against the door. So looking for that. It's pretty annoying too, every time you close the door. Look at this right here. Look at that clock. That's pretty sweet right here. Genesis right here, or what used to be a Genesis. Oh, that looks pretty cool. It had springs. Nice exhaust. Who is it by? Yeah, I don't even know. A full exhaust too. That looks quality. That's a shame right there. Did some drifting. Pretty sweet. Integra right here. Brown interior. Pretty rare interior right here. You don't really see DAs in that color. Little Civic right here. Damn. That was a nice pull right there. Well, they walked away, so that's good. Little Miata right here. Little death traps. Little Suzuki right here. These are actually pretty cool back in the day. I remember when these came out, and these were pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Accord. People like seeing Accords. F23, A1, but I really don't look at Accords because I really have no need. But yeah, there's a big fan base for Accords though, that's for sure. I just noticed there's a newer Civic over there, the blue one. Crazy. Little Civic. Nothing. 1st gen Integra. Right here. That's pretty sweet. 5-speed. TSX right here. So they're actually starting to get newer vehicles. This is nice. This is sweet. And someone had to crack it too. That looks pretty sweet too. I like how the doors feel really light compared to other vehicles. Pull the engine. I believe those are K24s, so that looked like a good solid candidate for a swap right there. Another little Civic right there. Looks pretty clean. A little Virgin. Never tampered with, nothing. Another Civic right here. Another Accord. Prelude right here. What is that? F22. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's not looking good. I don't think there's any Civics here. Or older Civics at least. Sixth gen, the worst. Legend. These are single piston calipers. The 91, yeah. That 4,500 pounds, crazy. Let's see what that is over there. Oh shit, it's an actual Corolla. What the hell? That thing is picked clean. Little 4AC right here. Auto. Look at that dash right there. It's like a purple color. Taillights are gone. They pulled those. Oops. Damn, it's actually pretty nice. I like that gold. Look at that. Whole rear ends there. Exhaust. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut it off right there. This is just a quick little walk around of the yard. No luck this time, but hopefully soon. If you guys like this video, smash a like, subscribe, and comment. Oh yeah, so before I end it, this is a little EJ. The little teen coilover. Flipped. Nice tail light. There's nothing but trash, but had like a full exhaust too. Could have been B series, sopped. 99. So a lot of nice parts for somebody who owns one of these. But damn, look at that pillar. It's crazy.